I want to make my own hair moisturizer, and this is what I do for my daughter. As you can see, I have a bottle of it already. I mixed different oils in it, and the major ingredients here would be water, because there's no moisturizer without water. And the idea of a moisturizer is to make sure it retains moisture whenever you put it on your hair. So water really helps you. In fact, a lot of people use just water as a moisturizer, but I want to inculcate essential oils for our hair into it. Therefore, this is what I do. So I have a bigger spray bottle, and I want to transfer it into here so that it will just last longer. I'm just going to show you one of the most important oil mixture I've made over time. This is cloves and rosemary. I have Jamaican black castor oil in it. I also have olive oil in it, and yeah, those are the only two oil I have in it. I want to extract this because this has stayed for long, and obviously it's even more potent now because I've had it for months. So I just store it in there, and I'm going to open this now and filter it into this one. So I've transferred the oil into this, and I'm just going to cover this back and refill it some other time. Now, this is the quantity we had from our rosemary and clove infusion that I've had for months. And I have this as well. This is aloe vera oil. I made this myself. I have a video, I will link it up. So if you want to make your own aloe vera oil, so I'm just going to add the amount of drops I want in it. Don't waste so much time. Let me just pour it into it because. So I poured in half of my aloe vera oil. And this is Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to be adding that to it as well. And then because I already have this before, I'm going to be adding it to it. And then this is chapter 2000. I'm going to put that in there. Go ahead and add water to it. So you see the amount of water I added to it is a lot. I'm going to give this a very good shake now. So you see how it looks like now. I'm going to give that a good shake. So why I like this spray bottle is that you can adjust the nozzle to give you this mist kind of spray, very light, like you can barely see it spray. You know how mist looks like? You know that morning dew that you don't really see, but it's so tiny to see. I know if you know that morning dew, yeah, it can spray like dew, and any way you turn the nozzle to, you can just adjust how it sprays. That's what I like about this spray bottle. So I'm trying to make sure the oil and the water is properly incorporated. So you can add more water to it, which I'm going to do, and yeah, your own moisturizer is ready. You just go ahead and use it. When I'm making my hair, I use this. I just spray on it, and yeah, I start making my hair, comb the tips out. It just makes my work easier and making sure she's getting the right oil into her hair. And this is what you'll get after some time when it has settled. Whenever I want to use it, I just shake it. And spray. So I use this when I want to make her hair, which is once a week, and I use something else every day on her hair for now. So that's our routine. You can use any other oil, any oil of your choice with water. The essence of this is to make sure that it locks in moisture in your child's hair, especially if you know your child is suffering from lack of moisture. And even if your child is not suffering from lack of moisture, it's just essential for you to moisturize your child's hair and make sure it has a lot of moisture for proper hair growth. And yeah, so this is how I make mine. You can go ahead and try it and put whatever oil you can put in it. Even if it's just one oil, you can put that and add in your water, and there you have your moisturizer. So with the oil, it just makes it easier to lock in the moisture. With the oil and water together, you know, oil will stay longer, water can fizz out after some time, can dry off, but the oil will just lock it in. And yeah, go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching, and I have other videos on my channel that has to do with hair. You can watch them. I'll leave them in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.